Discovering the right medication for mental health conditions can be a challenging journey. If you are exploring options for managing symptoms of anxiety, depression, or panic disorders, you may have come across Apretude medication. In this video, we will delve into the uses, side effects, and benefits of Apretude, offering you essential insights to help you make informed decisions about your healthcare. Apretude is a widely prescribed medication that falls under the class of selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, SSRIs. It works by increasing the levels of serotonin, a neurotransmitter responsible for regulating mood and emotions. By restoring the balance of serotonin in the brain, Apretude can effectively alleviate symptoms of various mental health disorders. Understanding the potential side effects and benefits of Apretude is crucial for those considering this medication. By examining the latest research and medical expertise, we will guide you through the potential risks and rewards associated with its use. What is Apretude medication? Apretude medication is a type of antidepressant medication that is used to treat a range of mental health conditions. It is a selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor, SSRI, that works by increasing the levels of serotonin in the brain. This neurotransmitter is responsible for regulating mood and emotions, and by restoring its balance, Apretude can effectively alleviate symptoms of various mental health disorders. Apretude medication is available in different forms, including tablets, capsules, and oral solution. The medication is usually taken once a day, with or without food, and the dosage can vary depending on the individual's condition and response to treatment. Common uses of Apretude medication. Apretude medication is primarily used to treat symptoms of depression, anxiety, and panic disorders. The medication can also be used to treat other mental health conditions, such as obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD, post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, and social anxiety disorder. Depression. Apretude medication is commonly used to treat the symptoms of depression, such as persistent feelings of sadness or hopelessness, loss of interest in activities, changes in appetite or sleep patterns, and difficulty concentrating. Anxiety. Apretude medication can also be used to treat symptoms of anxiety disorders, such as generalized anxiety disorder, social anxiety disorder, and panic disorder. These symptoms may include excessive worry, restlessness, irritability, and difficulty sleeping. Panic disorders. Apretude medication can also be used to treat symptoms of panic disorders, such as sudden and unexpected panic attacks, which can cause physical symptoms like chest pain, shortness of breath, and sweating. Potential side effects of Apretude medication. Like all medications, Apretude medication can cause side effects, and it's essential to understand the potential risks and benefits before starting treatment. Some of the most common side effects of Apretude medication include nausea. Nausea is a common side effect of Apretude medication, and it may go away after a few days or weeks of treatment. Headaches. Headaches are another common side effect of Apretude medication, which can be managed with over-the-counter pain relievers. Insomnia. Apretude medication can cause insomnia or difficulty sleeping, particularly when taken at night. It's recommended to take the medication in the morning to reduce the risk of insomnia. Sexual side effects. Apretude medication can cause sexual side effects, such as decreased libido, difficulty achieving orgasm, and erectile dysfunction. Other potential side effects of Apretude medication may include dry mouth, dizziness, and sweating. If you experience any severe side effects, such as suicidal thoughts or behavior, seizures, or allergic reactions, seek medical attention immediately. Benefits of using Apretude medication. Despite the potential side effects, Apretude medication can offer several benefits for those struggling with mental health conditions. By increasing the levels of serotonin in the brain, Apretude medication can effectively alleviate symptoms of depression, anxiety, and panic disorders. Apretude medication can help to improve mood, reduce anxiety, and restore normal sleep patterns. It can also help to increase energy levels, improve concentration, and reduce suicidal thoughts or behaviors. For those struggling with mental health conditions, Apretude medication can provide relief from symptoms and improve their overall quality of life. However, it's essential to discuss the potential benefits and risks of Apretude medication with your healthcare provider before starting treatment. How to take Apretude medication. Apretude medication is usually taken once a day, with or without food, and the dosage can vary depending on the individual's condition and response to treatment. It's essential to follow your healthcare provider's instructions carefully and not to change the dosage or stop taking the medication without consulting them first. If you miss a dose of Apretude medication, take it as soon as you remember. However, if it's almost time for your next dose, skip the missed dose and continue with your regular dosing schedule. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Precautions and warnings for using Apretude medication. Before starting treatment with Apretude medication, it's essential to inform your healthcare provider of any medical conditions you may have, such as liver or kidney disease, epilepsy, or a history of suicidal thoughts or behavior. You should also inform your healthcare provider of any medications you are currently taking, including prescription and over-the-counter medications, herbal supplements, and vitamins. Apretude medication may interact with some medications and supplements, such as blood thinners, nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, and St. John's wort. It's essential to discuss the potential interactions with your healthcare provider before starting treatment. Apretude medication may also increase the risk of suicidal thoughts or behavior, particularly in children, teenagers, and young adults. It's essential to monitor any changes in your mood or behavior and seek medical attention immediately if you experience any suicidal thoughts or behavior. Alternatives to Apretude medication. While Apretude medication can effectively treat symptoms of mental health conditions, it's not suitable for everyone. Some people may experience severe side effects or may not respond well to the medication. In these cases, alternative treatments may be recommended. Alternative treatments for mental health conditions may include psychotherapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and other medications, such as tricyclic antidepressants, TCS, and serotonin norepinephrine reuptake inhibitors, SNRIs. It's essential to discuss the potential benefits and risks of alternative treatments with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your current treatment plan. Apretude medication and its impact on mental health. Apretude medication can have a significant impact on mental health, particularly for those struggling with depression, anxiety, and panic disorders. By increasing the levels of serotonin in the brain, Apretude medication can effectively alleviate symptoms and improve overall quality of life. However, it's important to remember that Apretude medication is not a cure for mental health conditions, and it's essential to continue treatment as prescribed by your healthcare provider. It's also essential to monitor any changes in your mood or behavior and seek medical attention immediately if you experience any severe side effects or suicidal thoughts or behavior. Research and studies on Apretude medication. Numerous studies have been conducted on the effectiveness and safety of Apretude medication for treating mental health conditions. According to a study published in The Lancet Psychiatry, Apretude medication was found to be effective in treating symptoms of depression and anxiety, with a low incidence of side effects. Another study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychopharmacology found that Apretude medication was effective in treating symptoms of panic disorder and had a low incidence of side effects. However, the study also noted that some patients may not respond well to the medication or may experience severe side effects. Conclusion: is Apretude medication right for you? Apretude medication can be an effective treatment option for those struggling with mental health conditions. By increasing the levels of serotonin in the brain, Apretude medication can alleviate symptoms of depression, anxiety, and panic disorders and improve overall quality of life. However, it's essential to discuss the potential benefits and risks of Apretude medication with your healthcare provider before starting treatment. It's also important to monitor any changes in your mood or behavior and seek medical attention immediately if you experience any severe side effects or suicidal thoughts or behavior. If you are considering Apretude medication or any other treatment option for mental health conditions, seek the guidance of a healthcare professional who can provide you with the information and support you need to make informed decisions about your healthcare. Thanks for watching.